Hello students, today we will study an interesting chapter, that is the parts of the plant. The root. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called the root. You cannot see it above the ground. See in the picture all of you, there are two types of roots, that is taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. The plants have a thick main root below the stem from where there are several thinner side roots grow from the main root. Example are balsam, hibiscus, bean and mustard plants have taproot. See here all of you in the picture. Fibrous root. It has a number of tiny roots growing from the end of the stem. This looks like a bunch of roots. Rice, wheat, onion and grass have fibrous roots. See all of you in the picture. It is shown very clearly. Now, function of the roots. No plants can grow without roots. Roots hold the plants firmly to the ground. Roots absorbs water and mineral from the soil and passes to the other parts of the plant. Some roots store food for the plant. The shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. It has the stem. Branches, leaves, buds and flowers and fruits grow on the stem. The fruits have seeds inside them from which the new plant grow. The stem. The main part of the shoot is the stem. Some plants like banana have a thick soft green stems. Some plants like banyan and mango have a strong and hard stem that is called trunk. Strong and hard stem is called trunk. In some plants such as ginger, potato, turmeric, sugarcane, the food is stored in them. Now the function of the stem, the stem supports the upper part of the plant. It carries water and mineral from the roots to the other part of the plant. It carries food made by the leaves to the other part of the plant. Now we will discuss about the parts of the leaf. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf blade is a thin tube running from the stem to the tip of the leaf. This is called main vein. From this main vein, smaller tubes running from that is called side veins. And you can see the stomata. So the lower side is rough and lighter in color. The upper side is smooth and darker in color. Now we will talk about the photosynthesis. The main function of the leaves is to prepare the food for the plant. It prepares the food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide from the air. And there is a green substance present in the leaves that is called chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll it cannot prepare the food because the chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight from because needed for the food. While making the food, the leaves gives out gas called oxygen. The food made by the leaves is sent to the all parts of the plant through the stem. Some of the food is used up by the plant. Now we will discuss about fruits, flowers and seeds. Flowers of many size, shapes and color. Flowers changes into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits such as mango, lychee have only one seed. Fruit is zesty and seeds. We will talk about the seeds now. When seeds grow into a new plant, each seed has a baby plant inside it. The baby plant begins to grow when the seeds falls on the